Hello there, I hope all is well. Today we have another entry into Dan's Beard Diaries. Now today we're going to go over another edition of What's in My Beard Bag. Now I'm doing this because the previous video, in my beard bag were a couple scents that are no longer available, and so I had to get some reinforcements. That being said, they are going to pretty much be the same products in regards to what they're used for as far as a shampoo and conditioner, in addition to the daytime and nighttime tonics and also the beard balms. However, we're gonna have some new scents. And starting with the shampoo and conditioner, we have Valkyrie's Oud and we have Viking Honor. Now, they definitely have two very distinct smells to them, so I'm gonna go over them and try to help describe them to you today, right now. All right, Viking Honor. All right, Viking Honor is definitely a light, fresh, clean scent with a hint of lime. Not overwhelming, definitely more so on the subtle side. So that's a Viking Honor, and this right here, actually in my hand, is the conditioner. And now we're gonna go over to the other scent, and with this scent, this is a beard wash, though I do have the same scent in the conditioner. And with this wash, it's on the other end of the spectrum. It's a rich and creamy scent with a hint of vanilla. So that's Valkyrie's Oud, and this is the beard wash that I have in my hand, and it's a rich, creamy scent again with a touch of vanilla. So I hope that helps you out in regards to what this smells like. Alrighty, here we have the Daytime Liquid Tonic, and this is for those of you that are more on the dry end of the spectrum and need a little more moisturizer. With these, you put 6 to 8 drops in the palm of your hands, and then you rub it into your beard, and you keep this on throughout the day. And again, this is a Valkyrie's Oud and the Viking Honor scents. Again, Valkyrie's is more of that rich, creamy scent with a touch of vanilla, and the Viking Honor is more on the light, fresh side of things with a hint of lime. Let me make sure I'm getting this correct. Yeah. And even more so with that Viking Honor, I mean, in addition to the lime citric scent, you can even say it has a touch of mint to it. So that is the Daytime Liquid Tonic. We also have the Night Liquid Elixir. And again, this is going to be for those of you that are more on the dry side and need that extra moisturizer in your beard, not only for your beard, but also for your skin as well. Now this brings us to Gentleman's Scruff Balm. And again, this comes in both scents, and it's all a matter of preference as far as what you're looking for. If you're more of a rich vanilla guy, you'll get the Valkyrie's Oud, or if you're more of on the citrus side of things, you're going to get the Viking Honor. Or if you like some diversity, you get both of them. But yeah, definitely the Viking Honor is definitely coming off as more of a tad bit of a mint scent to it. Now, in addition to the shampoo, conditioner, the daytime and nighttime elixirs, and the beard balms, we also have the Beard Struggle brush, which definitely comes in handy, especially if you're trying to train your beard when you initially start growing it. It keeps it from curling up on you and tangling. You put the beard balm in your beard and then you brush it out. That way you don't get further down the road and just look at your beard and you just say to yourself, man, this is unmanageable. I think I might have to shave it. Let's be proactive. Get yourself a brush and brush it out whenever you're bored, whenever you're in traffic. Just grab your brush from the console and just brush away. So we have the Beard Struggle brush. In addition to the brush, we have the Beard Struggle kit. And in this kit, super nice kit, you have scissors. I don't want the scissors to fall away. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you guys see that all right? So you have scissors, and also in addition to the brush, you have a beard struggle comb. And this is definitely useful for those of you that do have a bit of a longer beard, and perhaps maybe you have scruff but you have some hair. You can brush out your beard and you can brush out your hair and you're good to go. I hope this helps you out in regards to the new scents that are available. Also, in addition to these 2 scents that I've ordered, I'm going to be receiving some new scents shortly, and I'll be going through those with you and telling you, or actually, I mean, giving you feedback on what I think the scents smell like and which ones I prefer. So until next time, peace.